DENSO was established 70 years ago as a spin-off from Toyota Motors. After becoming independent, the company had nothing except determination. Tatsuo Iwatsuki, a director at the time, wrote an article for the internal newsletter with a sensational title, "Will DENSO Go Bankrupt?" And he asked all associates to make every effort to deliver outstanding products at the lowest cost. Later in the 1950s, recognizing the lack of trust from customers and society, associates started traveling across Japan in a car to provide service for customers. This was the first step to build DENSO's worldwide service network. It all started with our associates decades ago who were proud to stand behind our products. To strengthen the company's foundation, DENSO took on the challenge to win the Deming Prize, one of the world's highest awards to be given for total quality management. The company attained quality control through collaboration and won the Deming Prize in 1961. This is where Quality First started. In the latter half of the 1960s, DENSO associates predicted that electronics would be a focus in the future. They started research and development of next-generation products such as the integrated circuit. It was an innovative challenge that no other auto parts manufacturer was thinking about at the time.